Today let's understand the factorial program. Find the factorial of a given number. First, what is factorial? So the factorial of a positive integer is the product of all positive integers from 1 to that number. For example, 5 factorial equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So equal to 120. Now let's understand the logic in C#. We create a variable called fact and initialize it with 1. Why do we initialize it with 1? Because 1 is the identity element of multiplication. Multiplying any number by 1 doesn't change its value. If we initialize it with 0, every multiplication will become 0 and the final answer will always be 0. Next, we use a loop from 5 to 1. In each iteration, we multiply the current value of factorial by the loop variable. For example, if the input is 5, so fact equal to 1 into 5. After the loop finishes, the variable fact contains the final result. So the factorial of 5 is 120. And remember this simple rule: addition starts with 0, multiplication starts with 1. That's why the factorial variable is always initialized with 1. Now we have completed the factorial program in C#. Let's copy the same program into Java. Don't focus on the syntax, focus on the logic. The logic is exactly the same, only the syntax is different. Now let's copy the same program into Python. Again, the logic is the same, only the syntax has changed. That's it. We have written the same factorial program in C#, Java and Python. If you understand the logic, you can write the program in any programming language.